Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a filing from Superior Industries International, and let me tell you, the drama is thicker than motor oil. It's like watching a car crash in slow motion, but with spreadsheets instead of metal. Before we begin to analyse this filing, join our Discord community linked in the description below to keep up with all the corporate news. Scrollers of report, date of earliest event reported 25 Scroll 2, so what's the story? This Form 8K, filed on July 7, 2025, is like a corporate distress signal. It's a report companies have to file when big things happen, and trust me, big things are happening here. We're talking about a CFO jumping ship and the company getting kicked off a major stock exchange. First off, Superior Industries got the boot from the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE. Think of the NYSE as the cool kids club for stocks. Getting delisted, which is like getting expelled, is a major blow to a company's reputation. Delisting is when a stock is no longer listed on a major exchange. It makes it harder for big investors like pension funds to buy the stock. Usually this happens when the company doesn't meet certain requirements around things like price and financial stability. The ANSI filed the paperwork to delist Superior's stock in late June of 2025, and it became official after 10 days. Now, the stock is trading on something called the OTC Pink Market. The OTC Pink Market is basically the minor league, which is obviously not ideal. Their stock symbol changed to SEPI, the minor league, which is obviously not ideal. Their stock symbol changed to SFE, the minor league, which is obviously not ideal. Their stock symbol changed to SUP when it made the move to its new market. Scroll Rules 405 of the Securities Act of 1933, Tafadju 2030 and 405 of this chapter. Or rule Crutuza now, this also triggers something called deregistration under the Securities Exchange Act. Deregistration is a fancy way of saying they're going to stop having to file as much paperwork with the SEC in the future. This will be effective in about 90 days. But wait, there's more. On the very same day as the filing, their Senior Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Dan Lee put in his 2 weeks notice. He's leaving to pursue other opportunities effective late July of 2025. The company line is that there were no disagreements, which is what they always say, right? It is worth remembering that Chief Financial Officer, or CFO for short, positions are key. He is the guy keeping the company's money safe, so leaving will raise some eyebrows. They are now searching for a replacement. Looking at this filing, here's what I think. Losing a CFO is never good, especially when you're already dealing with being delisted from a major exchange. It raises questions about the company's stability. Is there something they're not telling us? The delisting is a clear sign of trouble. Companies don't usually get kicked off the NZ unless they're facing some serious financial challenges. Moving to the OTC Pink Market is a big step down, and it means it will be harder for them to raise money in the future. Trading volume will be low and volatility will be high, which is a bad combination. I would say it's hard to see a bright future for Superior Industries with these two major red flags popping up at the same time. As the saying goes, when it rains, it pours. You're in a car during the thunderstorm. Alright, that's our breakdown of Superior Industries International's latest filing. What's your take on these events and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.